What's up guys, this is Aadit from Tech is Easy. So today I'm going to be giving you a first look at the Windows 11 Insider Preview. So earlier I made a video on how to install it, so you can check that out by clicking on the top right. So now let's get right into this. So the first thing that you'll notice is the taskbar. Earlier it used to be aligned on the left, but now it's centrally aligned. So this gives a look which is similar to that of Mac. So if I just right click on this and I go to the settings, you could see that they have many options over here, like showing the search, task view, widgets. I'll show you each one of these later. Then you can decide whether you want to change the alignment. So currently it's centrally aligned, but if I click over here, I can just make it on the left, and now it's back to how it was before. But I'm really a fan of the centrally aligned taskbar, so I'll keep it like this. And one change to the taskbar is that now you can't make the icons smaller. So earlier in Windows 10, you can decide whether you want large icons or small ones, but over here they have one size and this is fixed. But I don't find that much of a problem. Next, I'll show you the start menu. So even this is centrally aligned, and you can move it to the left if you want. And I must say that I really like this look. So over here you can see some of the pinned apps. And if I just click on all apps over here, so over here you get a list of all the apps. And if I go back, at the bottom, they have a recommended section. So over here there's some videos, files, documents. And again, if I click on more, I get a list of all of them. After that, you have some other options over here. So if I just right click, I can move to the top, unpin from start. And if you want to pin more apps, you can just go to all apps, then right click, and then you can just pin to start. So overall, they've given a completely new look. This is simple, but I really like it. After that, we're going to be talking about the theme. So currently, it's the light theme, but if I just right click, and then I can go to personalize, you can see that they have many themes over here. So this dark one is one which I like. So if I go to settings or any other application, everything will become dark mode. Now I'll quickly show you the file explorer. So even this has new icons, and they've color coded different folders. So over here you can see that the desktop downloads, they all have different colors. So even this is interesting. Now I'll come to the next thing which I really like, and that's having a virtual desktop. So if I just click on this icon over here, the task view, then I can see the tabs which are open right now. But if I just click on new desktop over here, I can have a brand new desktop. So you can rename a desktop by just right clicking, and then say if I name this personal, then over here I can have all my personal things. And if I want the second one for work, I can again right click and then just put work. And then you can again change the background, and you have many other options. So this is really helpful if you just want to change the background in the look when you're working and when you're just using your PC. After that, we'll come to the widgets. So this icon over here is for widgets. Then over here they have some default widgets like weather, then stocks, then for sports and news articles. So you can add widgets and remove them. So if I don't want the sports article, I can just click on the three dots and then I either remove it, customize it, make it large. So this is quite cool. Then if I click on add widgets, you have many other options. You can add a calendar or a to-do list, so this is quite helpful. The next thing what I like is split screen. So if I put my cursor on this icon on the top right, then I can decide to split my screen into 2, 3 or 4 parts. So if I select 3, then I can have the important tab as the biggest tab. And now I can select any of the other open tabs over here. So if I want the file explorer and settings to be open, now I can use all 3 simultaneously. So you could do this in Windows 10 as well, but I feel now it's much simpler and easier to use. After that, I'll quickly show you around the settings. So you can see that it has a completely different look. And personally, I like the settings of Windows 11 much more than that of Windows 10. It just has a simpler look and makes it extremely easy to find what you want to search for. So overall, I feel that everyone should be excited for Windows 11. They've made many changes and I feel it'll be extremely helpful. But there's one point which I want to talk about, and that's whether you should join the Windows Insider program and get Windows 11 today. So personally, if you really want it and you are extremely technical, then I suggest you get it. And if you don't like it, you can always switch back to Windows 10. But for the others, if you aren't in that much of a hurry, I suggest you wait. Because right now, they have some bugs which can get a bit annoying. So if you just wait for a few months, then you can join the beta program, or you can just join it when they officially launch it, and that will have less bugs for sure. So this is it for today. And I hope this video helped you, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Goodbye.